Hi and welcome to mbrTech YouTube channel. Today I will show you box content on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X and my first impressions about this Android smartphone. This is a budget device from Xiaomi and it costs below $200 at this time. I bought a version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. There are a lot of colors available and this one is in blue and it's promising. Let's open the box. As we open it, we can already see a smartphone on the top. Let's move it aside and continue. There is a paper in Chinese, so we don't need it. Here we have a charger and charging cable in black color. Charger output power is 2 amperes and I hope this will be enough for this phone. Also be careful while buying this phone online and choose right plug for your country. There's a SIM card tray ejector and that's it. If you have expected earphones or something more, you will be disappointed with this package. Let's go back to the phone. It looks really nice in this blue color. The body is made mostly of aluminum, except top and bottom plastic parts, but smartphone feels good and premium in hands. Only what I don't like is the front in white color. If they made it in black, it will match perfectly this blue color and hide edges of the display. I think only the black version comes with black front and it is beautiful. Overall, this smartphone looks nice and I can't complain. There's a fingerprint sensor, back camera with 2 LEDs, power and volume buttons on the right side, SIM tray on the left. The top is the most interesting because we have 3.5mm jack, ER port for remote and microphone. On the bottom there is a micro USB port, microphone and speaker. On the front there is a front camera and all buttons are capacitive. I prefer to have a physical home button. This is enough for this video. I will make a full review and more test videos soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see it. Also, behind the scenes will be posted on my Instagram page. Check out the description for the link.